Welcome to my dessert tour of the United States, where I'm making all 50 state desserts in America. Today is episode number 3, and it is bringing us to Ohio. Now, according to my research, the state dessert of Ohio is the Buckeye, which is a peanut butter fudge ball dipped in chocolate. This is to resemble the fruit of the Buckeye tree, which is apparently abundant in Ohio. And Ohio is known as the Buckeye State because of the abundance of this tree. And while the Buckeye is a poisonous nut, these are named like that because they are apparently resembling the eye of a buck. The recipe for this will be linked below, and please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this series where I'm making all the state desserts in America. So let's get some Buckeyes going in here.
So we're gonna start with some creamy peanut butter, 2 cups of it in a bowl, and we're adding a stick of softened unsalted butter. We're gonna blend that up until nice and creamy, and then we're gonna add some brown sugar and salt along with some vanilla extract. Just mix that until nice and smooth. We're gonna go in with powdered sugar, about 3 1/4 cups of it, and then this is gonna mix into a really nice thick dough-like texture. We're gonna use a 2-inch cookie scoop to roll it into nice little bally balls, and once you do, just place them on a sheet or a plate lined with parchment, and you want to place them in the freezer and stick some toothpicks in there as well. That's going to make dipping them a lot easier. So for the dip, we have chocolate chips and coconut oil that we've melted, and we're just dipping these chilled peanut butter balls in that chocolate mixture. I mean, it looks so good. I'm going to chill them for about 10 more minutes and remove the toothpick.
I personally love how easy that was. I am always about a simple dessert, and that's about as simple as it gets. Plus, chocolate and peanut butter is probably my favorite flavor combo. These came out so good. And this recipe makes a lot, so it's great for a party or any occasion for that matter. I mean, first off, it's sweet peanut butter and chocolate. What is not to love? But the center is just like, it's creamy, peanut buttery, not overly sweet. Got that nice fudgy texture. And then the chocolate on the outside, that nice thin coating for that little bit of added richness and that little crunch when you bite into it. Superb. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for all of these amazing state desserts in this 50 episode series where I make all the state desserts in America. The recipe for these is linked below, along with links to my other social media. Let me know in the comments what state you live in and what a popular dessert is in your state. It might just end up in the series, you never know. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you on the next stop.